There was in your eyes. Fulfill the lion prophet to a virgin came a word. From throne of endless glory to a cradle in the dirt. Praise you, Jesus. Praise you, Son. Praise you, Spirit, three in one. God of glory. To my King of Kings, to reveal the kingdom coming, to reconcile the lost, to redeem the whole creation. You did not despise the cross, for even in your suffering, Jesus, you sought to the other side. Knowing this was our salvation, our sake, you, Jesus, died. Praise you, Jesus. Praise you, Son. Praise you, Spirit, three in one. God of glory, majesty, praise be forever to my King of Kings. Hallelujah, Father. Hallelujah, Son. Hallelujah, Spirit, three in one. God of glory, majesty, praise be forever to the King of Kings.